Hi, it's Nørgaard. So welcome to my channel if you are new here, and welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. So before we get into the video, I wanted to apologize about the glasses. Last time I wore sunglasses in a video, someone said it was distracting how you could see the light reflecting in the sunglasses. So I do really apologize about that. The reason why I'm wearing them is because I'm wearing like two different eye looks. I did like a hooded eyes do's and don'ts. So that's why I'm wearing the sunglasses. The sunglasses are cute, right? They're cute. So I hope you can distract from the sunglasses because I don't know what else to do. I don't know how else to like cover up my eyes, you know? So anyway, if you stick with me through the video, even despite the sunglasses, I really appreciate you. And before we get started, and I haven't even told you guys what kind of video we're doing today, but before we get started, I just wanted to remind you guys to make sure you're subscribed and have my notifications on. I do upload Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. But yeah, in today's video, I'm going to review 2 holiday makeup kits. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So both of these holiday kits are by W7. So this one over here is a liquid lipstick kit with 4 different colors of liquid lipstick. And then the other kit is a duo where it comes with a bronzer and a regular traditional lipstick. So I bought both of these directly from W7's website. So this one was £7.95 and this one was £6.95. So they're both pretty inexpensive as always with W7. So let's start out by talking about the bronzer and lipstick kit because this one is the one I'm least impressed with. So it's called Gingerbread Beauties, and the reason why I got this is because it says it has a gingerbread scent. And I'm a little bit of a sucker for scented makeup. I have bought things in the past that I didn't really, I wasn't really excited about the color or anything, but I just bought it because it was scented. And I have had some misses in the past where the product has actually not been that good and the scent has disappeared like after a short period of time. So then I'm left with a product that doesn't have a fun scent and it's not really good. And unfortunately this kit kind of falls in that category. So I feel like by now I'm kind of done. I'm kind of over it. I'm not gonna buy any more makeup purely because of the fact that it's supposed to be scented. So anyway, let's talk about this kit. So this is the gingerbread bronzer. It has really cute packaging. It is very festive. I love the gold. It doesn't feel heavy, but it is cheap. So what can you expect? And then this is what the bronzer looks like. So it does have some stars imprinted on the actual product. And as you can see, it does have some sheen. It has like a satiny finish. I am wearing it today, as my bronzer. And it worked okay. I mean, yeah, I thought it worked pretty well. The problem for me is the fact that it doesn't smell like gingerbread. It has like the faintest little hint of ginger, but not gingerbread. And you cannot smell it unless you're all up in it like this. So that was disappointing to me. It's not a bad product. I like the way it applied well enough. It's just that I have so many bronzers just like it with this kind of satiny finish. So it's just not exciting to me. I do wish it had that really strong scent like what you would find in a chocolate Soleil bronzer by Too Faced. Like when you open that up, you can smell the chocolate. So this one is just like meh. To me, it's fine. It works decently. It's just not what I expected. Then we have the gingerbread lipstick. Again, it has the same kind of design on the packaging. And again, the packaging is kind of cheap. As you can see here, it's just like a sticker that's wrapped around the lipstick tube. That doesn't really bother me. I think it is pretty festive. I like, the little gingerbread men and women and the gold and the red colors, It's very Christmassy. And this is what the lipstick actually looks like. So it is like a toasted, like brownie red, slightly like it looks a little spicy, like it has a little bit of like the terracotta. So it looks like this. It almost looks velvet. And this one also has the little stars imprinted on the product. So again, I have the same complaint about the lipstick as I did with the bronzer. It doesn't smell like gingerbread. It smells like ginger. But again, it's not very strong and it's not really a fun scent. It kind of smells like an accident. Like if this was not advertised as being a scented product, then I might have gotten this and I would have thought, oh, that's kind of like a weird little bit of a chemically smell. It's definitely not unpleasant, I wouldn't say that, but it's not a super fun or pleasant smell either. So it's just a little bit disappointing to me, because I was really looking forward to the gingerbread scent. And I feel like the scent was one of the big selling points for this kit. This kit is like trying to be like Too Faced, where, you know, the scent, it's all about the scent and fun packaging, but it's just not quite doing it for me. But let's swatch the lipstick. Let's see what it actually looks like, because I haven't worn this or even swatched it. So let's go ahead and see. Okay. I'm not really loving how it's swatching either. First of all, it looks a lot more matte in the tube, but it looks like the matte-ness of the lipstick is kind of just like an overlay, and as soon as you get through like the overlay, then it's like a regular cream lipstick. So again, it's not what you expect. And also I find it to be a bit patchy. Like if I just go like once, it is a little patchy. Like you have to make sure you go over the swatch a few times, and even then I can still see some patchiness. So I hope you guys can see that it's not completely even. I'm not feeling it. You guys know I love W7. I have so many of their products and I use them all the time. I talk about them all the time, but this is just not it, and I would not recommend. Okay, so the other kit we have is the liquid lipstick kit. And again, can you see the little gingerbread girl on the packaging? This is supposed to have a gingerbread scent as well. So it comes with 4 liquid lipsticks. I'm wearing one of them right now, and they look like so. So they look pretty nice. I like the packaging. They feel nice and sturdy, and I really like the gold. As you can see, they don't look as festive. They don't have any little gingerbread men or women on them or anything like Christmassy like that. So these are also really appropriate, you know, for the other seasons. Of course, you could still pull out your little gingerbread bronzer in July and use it, no problems. But if you don't like your products to be like overly decorated, these are not. These I like a little bit better than the bronzer and the regular traditional lipstick. But unfortunately, the scents are not, again, what I expected. The only one that actually smells like gingerbread is this red color. This one is called Cinnamon Spice, and it's like a pinky red. It comes with a doe foot applicator. And this one, yeah, this one smells spot on like gingerbread. Like, I'm so happy. Like when I smell this, I have to watch out so I don't like wipe this over my nose. But it smells so good. It's just so Christmassy. Yeah, it smells amazing. Then the next color is called Sugar Cookie. And this one has like the traditional vanilla scent. I have a lot of other regular lipsticks and liquid lipsticks that smell like vanilla, so it's not as exciting to me. But I will say that this one also packs a punch. Like, this one has a lot of scent, like you can really smell it. This one also has a lot of scent. So it's not like you have to go looking for the scent and kind of, you know, really tune in on it. It is definitely there, and it does smell nice. I do like the vanilla scent. I was expecting all of them to have the gingerbread scent, because that was how it was advertised on their website. Now, it doesn't say anything about the scent on the packaging, but I do remember on the website it said that all 4 had a gingerbread scent. So just to let you know, they don't all have a gingerbread scent. The only one is this one. The rest are scented, just not with the gingerbread scent. Anyway, let's move on to the next one, which is this one. And this one is actually called gingerbread, but it does not smell like gingerbread. This one smells like ginger. So it smells kind of like the bronzer and the lipstick, except it's stronger, it's more intense. And yeah, I do like the scent of ginger, so it's not unpleasant to me. And I like how it's a bit stronger because it makes it seem more intentional. So it's not bad, it's just not gingerbread. And then finally we have the color that I'm wearing right now, which is called Hot Cocoa. And this one smells like chocolate. And again, the scent is quite strong. You're definitely aware that it's there. So as I said, this is the one I'm wearing. I do have on a brown lip liner by Primark, but in the center, this is the color. And I must say, I do really like the formula. It feels like super lightweight. It does not feel like extremely drying. And also it wears really well. And also it's really easy to apply. I just went over one time and that was enough. Full color payoff. So the great formula definitely makes up for the fact that these do not smell like gingerbread. So here you have the 4 swatches, and these do dry down matte, and they're very like even, they're not patchy, which I love. I do not like a patchy liquid lipstick. So yeah, I think that's what I have to say about these 2 sets. I know I talked a lot about the scents of these products, but I have just been so disappointed because I really wanted like makeup that smelled like Christmas and just brought me in the Christmas spirit. And then when they didn't, I was just kind of like, ugh. It was like the balloon just completely deflated. So I would actually recommend the liquid lipstick set. The quality is really good. The bronzer and the lipstick, I would say you could skip. The lipstick looks patchy, the bronzer is decent, but it's not outstanding. So let me know what you thought of this video down in the comment section below. Do you think I'm being too harsh? And also let me know if you have bought any holiday makeup this year. I am not really one that buys a lot of holiday makeup. Like sometimes I will get the sets where you get a bunch of minis. Those ones I usually really like. But I feel like a lot of the times with holiday makeup brands, they put out like lower quality products. So I don't really tend to go for the holiday makeup kits for that reason. But yeah, that's what I had for you today. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and you can also click the bell to get post notifications. And if you share my video on your social media, it really helps out my channel a lot. Thank you if you do that. And I hope you all have a lovely day, and yeah, that's it. So take care and bye bye.